Welcome to new battle, and today the bear and the caliph are fighting against the wolf and the lionheart. Okay, and let's start. Okay, so the bear's another custom AI, also strong, but I mean not as strong as like Utwin or the commander, or Deckerman. And yet the bear was created by Crusader pillar. I think some of you know him. And it's also like his castles, so they are custom castles too. Yeah, I think the first attack should come pretty soon. Okay, Lionheart already attacks the bear. And yeah, the best in the early game not so strong, but then in the later game he's quite strong. Okay, attack from the wolf. And from the caliph. And the bear is also now a great start. And with that attack from the bear. And he basically only uses sword fighters for his attack. Again, I think some crossbowmen too. Okay, both attacks got basically defended. And let's set for the next wolf or caliph attack. Probably from the wolf. Okay, caliph is actually first. And yeah, wolf defended his attack easily. I like this wolf caster, to be honest. Okay, I think, yeah, now wolf attacks. I think it's not yet enough troops to defeat the caliph, but maybe with the next attack it might be dangerous for him. Okay, so the fire defense worked pretty good.
A message from the Lionheart.
Events have come to a pretty pass when a king must cower in his castle. But cower I must.
Okay, then I got afraid from bear's attack, but it's not big enough, I think. And it got the planet. But yeah, caliph definitely gets some pressure here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, probably the wolf will attack soon again. And also, like, bear's the only one who has, like, gold reserves right now. Okay, wolf now with almost 400. Yeah, I think the next attack now might be dangerous. Except, like, the fire defense will work again. Good.
A message from the CALIPH.
Stay away from my land, infidel. Stay away.
Okay. Yeah, fire defense is definitely doing a good job. But there are still too many troops. Okay.
A message from the Caliph.
Also Leonhard attacked, I think. But now Bear is also attacking himself. And this is a huge amount of sword fighters against Leonhard. And he has not many troops at his castle right now.
A message from the Lionheart.
Men succumb to a petty pass when a king must cower in his castle.
Okay, this is a very dangerous for now.
I am bested, and my poor bones must rest in these wretched sands.
Okay, it's Wolf already attacks the bear now.
I commanded this siege. This is not my victory alone, but ours.
And yeah, now it's basically a 1 versus 1 bear against the wolf. Just the wolf has a little bit of time advantage. I think I will do just a quick save, you know. Yeah.
Saving.
Okay. And I think the bear should attack. Pretty soon, actually both. Okay, Wolf now with over 400 troops and he attacks. And also the bear. Actually, the bear is also using some pikemen for the attack, but mostly sword fighters. Okay, both attacks start definite. And yeah, I think I will do a cut to the next attack now. Okay, wolf attack. But okay, it's definitely not enough troops yet to be dangerous.
We are under attack.
Okay, I think I can wait for the next bear attack too. But still, it's also, even if he will attack now, I don't think it's also not enough for, like, to defeat the wolf. I think, like, the troops for both of them needs to be much, much higher. So maybe I will just run the game for a little while until we reach some good troop amount. But let's see first, no, this attack. The wolf immediately goes for the attack again. I think they will get through. And okay. I think I will cut to like when there are much bigger troop amounts. Okay, now we have some bigger army amounts. But still is good amount of surfers here. Yeah, with City got defended. Okay, and I will cut again to the next deck. The next decks. Both again at the same time.
A message from the wolf.
Okay, and I will cut again to the next deck. With almost 700 troops. And also the bear goes for the attack.
A message from the wolf.
There's in the castle.
A message from the wolf.
I commanded this siege. This is not my victory alone, but ours.
Okay, thanks for watching until the next game.